What's up everybody and welcome back to How To Knots for another knot tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to tie the clove hitch or ABOC number 53. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. So to tie the clove hitch, it is very simple. You're going to take your object, whatever it is, we have this beam here, and we're going to make an X around the object. So we're going to go over here, and then I'm going to make this X here, as you can see. So there's my X. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come back under the object. And we're not going to go under this X, but we're going to go under this line on the left side here. So I'm going to take it under that line, and then I'm going to push the lines together there. And then that is the clove hitch. So if you like this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on this Ashley's Book of Knots journey. If you're looking to purchase the Ashley's Book of Knots, we have a link in our description. All proceeds go to supporting our channel. So let's just tie this one more time to finish off. Here we go. So we're going to go over our object. We're going to go under and make an X here. Then we're going to come around and then under this part here. I'm going to pull tight. And that is the clove hitch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.